So you guys know that I absolutely love testing out paid survey websites. And so when I stumbled across Sproutful.com, a brand new paid survey site with a cool design and tons of reward options, I knew that I had to try it out. Now Sproutful is new to the industry, but it already has thousands of members and tons of exciting rewards to choose from. But is Sproutful a scam or is it legit? And does this survey website actually work and let you make money? Well, welcome back to another episode of Scam or Legit, where I put popular side hustles to the test. And in this Sproutful review, I'm sharing exactly how it works, how much I personally made, and how you can decide if this survey platform is right for you. Let's get to it. All right, guys, but really quickly, just a quick disclaimer here, like I put in these videos. Everything I'm sharing is based on my own personal testing and experience and research. Results aren't guaranteed, but I really do think survey sites can be a fun and easy side hustle. And again, this review, I actually tested it out. I'm sharing my experiences, so I hope you guys enjoy. And with that in mind, let's get on to how Sproutful works and what this survey site is all about. Alright guys, so what exactly is Sproutful.com? Well, like I mentioned, this is a free paid survey website that recently launched that basically lets you share your opinion and participate in market research to get paid. Now, it's similar to other survey companies in the space. It's completely free to sign up for. You just sign up with your email or Google account, which takes about 20 seconds. From there, you get a 50-point bonus, which is worth 50 cents once you complete your profile questionnaire. So again, kind of a nice way to start out. But yeah, that's really the sign up process. And once you're a member, you're ready to begin using Sproutful to start earning. So let me share how that works. Now, just note that right now Sproutful is only available in the US, but at the end of the video, I'll share some awesome global alternatives as well that you can consider. So there's really something for everyone. But okay, guys, how does Sproutful work and how do you potentially earn rewards with this survey website? Well, really, when it comes to Sproutful, surveys are the main way you can start earning. And this is kind of nice because these days most GPT websites have kind of gone to the gaming and offers side of things, and online surveys really aren't as popular as they used to be. But if you want to answer surveys and this is the side hustle you're looking for, then Sproutful has you covered because this is what it focuses on and does really well in my opinion. And so let me show you my account here, but basically once you're a member, available surveys appear on your main dashboard. And in my testing, I found that Sproutful surveys usually pay around 40 cents to $1, but you can find ones in the $1.50 range or even higher as well, which is pretty nice. And honestly, in my testing, I found the UI and overall user experience is quite good. I mean, surveys have a time estimate and they also have a star rating system because users rate their survey experience after they finish a survey. And this is kind of nice because it lets you basically cherry pick the surveys that you think are worth your time and will have a good experience. But yeah, in my testing, I completed 8 surveys on Sproutful and it really didn't take that long. And in all of my testing, I only got disqualified once, which is frankly a pretty good disqualification rate for the world of paid surveys. Again, a lot of survey sites have very high disqualification rates and it can be so frustrating. Like you're spending all of this time on pre-screeners just to get screened out, or you even get disqualified partway through a survey, which hasn't happened to me on Sproutful, which is always a green flag. Now that's really the main way you start earning points on Sproutful, but there are a couple other ways which I want to highlight really quickly. For example, you earn a 50-point streak bonus whenever you answer surveys for 7 days in a row, which is always nice to see when survey sites reward active members. Now what's also cool is that you earn XP every single survey you complete, which levels up your overall Sproutful account, paying you with even more bonuses as well. And what I also noticed is that you get XP even if you get disqualified from a survey, which again helps you level up, make more money overall. So it's nice that there's even this kind of disqualification bonus when you do end up getting disqualified. But again, one of the main selling points here is that Sproutful is focusing on paid surveys. Most GPT sites are not doing this anymore. So if you're looking to share your opinion for rewards, then Sproutful could be for you. But okay guys, let's talk rewards and cashing out. How do you actually convert your Sproutful points into rewards and what is the process like? And really, Sproutful gives you tons of different options here in terms of rewards. For example, you can redeem your points for prepaid Visa cards if you prefer cash, and there's also dozens of gift cards to companies like Amazon, Domino's, Walmart, Target, Sephora, and plenty more. PayPal rewards are apparently in the works as well, which I really like to see because that's usually my favorite choice. But again, you have prepaid Visa cards and then tons of different gift cards. Now, in terms of redemption minimums, you need 500 points to request a $5 reward. So pretty simple point system to understand. I also like that it's not super complicated, and $5 is very competitive and good these days in the paid survey space. But okay guys, let's talk about payment proof because I actually tested out Sproutful like I do in the Scam or Legit series. I'm always testing out different side hustles, and I actually redeemed a reward with Sproutful and the process was pretty easy. So personally, I spent about 2 hours testing out Sproutful one afternoon, and in that time I answered 8 different surveys. I earned just under $6 in my testing session. This took about an hour and a half in total, which is pretty decent and standard for the paid survey space. And again, the low disqualification rate and that 50-point sign-up bonus definitely helped as well. But yeah, I redeemed a $5 Amazon gift card for 500 points. I'll put the footage and payment proof up on screen. I got the gift card code the same day, added it to my Amazon account. It was smooth sailing. It was a very simple process. And I like that I got paid the same day. I didn't have to wait like 48 hours or 72 hours for Sproutful to process my reward. I also didn't have to verify my identity, which is nice because again, a lot of GPT websites these days, you have to take a photo of your passport or take a photo of your driver's license. I didn't have to do that. Now, I do believe that some accounts may require verification at some stage. I think it's based on where you live in the US and your account activity, but I didn't have to do that, which was pretty nice. But yeah, overall, Sproutful was very simple to use. I like that I actually redeemed a reward. It sent it to me. And as far as I'm concerned, Sproutful is legit and it's working as advertised. But okay, guys, let's talk pros and cons. Why would you sign up for Sproutful and why would you potentially skip this survey website? And really the first pro just has to be that Sproutful focuses on paid surveys. If this is the side hustle you're looking for and you don't care about games, you don't care about download offers or anything like that, this site is definitely worth checking out. And the second pro would just be the wide variety of rewards. I like that there's prepaid Visa cards, there's tons of gift cards, and PayPal money is coming as well. Now the third pro would just be the UI. Again, I had a low disqualification rate and the survey experience for me was really good, and I think it's clean and easy to use. And finally, the fourth pro is just that small little sign-up bonus of 50 points. It's not massive, but it does add up and it helps you reach that first reward much quicker. Now, as for the cons, the first would be that Sproutful is unfortunately US only at this time. I don't know if the team will expand or not, but for now it is only available in the United States. And the second con would be that there's no Sproutful mobile app quite yet. I will say the website is very mobile friendly. Like, I did check it on my phone and it was working totally fine. And apparently a mobile app is also in development, so this really isn't the biggest con right now. But anyways, guys, what is the scam or legit score? Well, for this one, I'm giving Sproutful a 4 out of 5 stars. Like I mentioned, I really like that Sproutful is one of the few companies left that is focusing on paid surveys and doing this really well, and it's not branching out into all of these gaming and download offers. Don't get me wrong, I test out GPT websites all the time and I do like completing gaming offers. I do like these other kinds of ways to earn, but if you're only interested in paid surveys, it's kind of hard to find a company that's specializing in this. I think the reward options are great. I think the UI is really good, and I think the survey rates themselves are also quite competitive. So overall, a very solid survey site. I do wish it was more global, but I'm very excited to see how Sproutful will continue to grow, and I'll be linking them down below as well if you want to check them out and give Sproutful a try. Now, like I mentioned in the intro, I'm also going to cover some global alternatives in case you live outside of the United States and you still want some options. And really there's a few I'm going to highlight quickly, but the first would be a company called Prime Opinion. This is another survey website that's in over 40 countries, so again, much more globally friendly. You can also check out another company called Surveyu, and this is one of the largest survey companies out there, and it's in over 120 countries. And finally, you could also check out Free Cash. Again, it is more global, it has paid surveys, and then also has gaming and download offers and other ways to earn, and it's available outside of North America. Anyways, guys, that really does it for this Sproutful review. I hope it has been helpful if you're wondering if this site is legit and if it's worth signing up for. Again, I like it, and I'm going to be using Sproutful a little bit more. I'm probably going to redeem a couple more rewards this month because it's working pretty well for me and I am enjoying using it. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you think about Sproutful. I'd love to hear from you guys. And again, thank you so much for watching and for the support and all of the comments and likes. It really does mean a lot. I hope you all have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.